skin all over? Well, get set, because Proactive
Hi,
Deep
YouTube.
Cleansing Body Wash is back. Now Proactive clears acne on your face and body, so you can feel confident showing off your skin
How you doing?
anytime, anywhere.
How you doing, sweet
At
cheeks?
$12 value, our best-selling body wash is your free gift when you order the Proactive 3-step.
Hold on.
Wash it really exfoliates the skin. I use that on my
I got a Facebook message from Boo Boo. How is it going?
I went out and bought a little spaghetti strap dress, and it was a really amazing feeling.
Call now and order Proactive. It's faster and gentler than ever before.
3 days after using Proactive, my skin looked completely different. Not only did
You know it's still videotaping, right?
Yeah.
my skin beautiful, I'm in love with my skin.
Normally $40, but with today's special offer, you'll pay just $19.95 and get free shipping. But only
Two
for a
notifications
limited
because
time.
I'm loved.
You'll receive our
You know,
free deep
just
cleansing
kidding.
wash,
I'm so
polish
not
your
loved.
skin to perfection.
With the deep cleansing wash, I come out of the shower and I feel like, okay, I'm clean, and my skin shows it.
Give your skin a fresh, clean look with the #1 Proactive. We guarantee your skin will clear or your money back.
The first morning after I used Proactive, I could tell that my skin was clearing up.
Okay, so,
It was amazing.
hey, I
So
clicked the
don't
wrong
wait,
thing.
because now with the free deep cleansing
I don't
body
really
wash,
know how
you
long
can
this
give your
is,
back,
but,
chest, and
you know,
shoulders
because we can't make a really
the
long one
clear
because then we
skin
can't put it on
you
YouTube.
expect from
Hey, guess
Proactive.
what, you
And
guys?
to make this offer
I'm gonna
irresistible,
try
we'll
to
add
eat
one more
this
free extra,
right here,
a travel size
this
free
fruit thing,
moisturizer
right
for
through
glowing
me.
skin.
Let's
Call
try it.
1-800-813-6035.
Not even on your mouth.
That's
I
1-800-813-6035.
can feel it.
It's the rag
It was on my finger.
You see?
Rahat's under attack.
Oh God. Sarah, I will fight.
Never say never. Never say never. I got it.
Hey guys, are we still on? Oh, wow.
305 until forever.
Very
Okay, well, we're gonna put this on. Okay. Okay. Bye.